Look at that. In all its glory and all its pieces. It's somewhat put together. So I guess we're gonna hang this thingy up. This is recommended to also do on the ceiling. I highly don't recommend doing it on the ceiling. It's a lot easier to do it this way. So yeah. All you gotta do is wire and put some more parts on it. But yeah, there you go. The Barrel Hunter fan. Highly, it looks good. I don't know if I would recommend it with all the parts. Probably pick something else. So, just to let you know. Or if you're gonna install it, make sure you charge extra.